Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to publish a Google Doc or sheet to the web and then embed it in a Canvas page. The nice thing about this is that when students visit your page, all that content will just appear right there in that page. And you can continuously edit your Google Doc or sheet, and those changes that you make there will just show up in the page. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the document that I want to embed. So I'm going to use this lovely fall calendar template that Chrissy made. And I'm going to go to File, and then here, Publish to the Web. So you want to be careful because only do this if you're okay with publishing all the content to the web. That means theoretically, if your result came up high enough on a search, it could be found and somebody, just randomly could stumble upon your document. So I'm going to click Publish to the Web, and then I'm going to click Embed. If you are using a Google Sheet, you're going to get this option here for entire document. I'm going to click this, and most likely you just want a particular sheet or tab. So I'm going to choose this one here rather than entire document. And now I'm going to click Publish and OK. And now it says Published. I'm going to click this here and make sure that this box is checked. It probably will be, but make sure that this box is checked so that your changes are showing up in your Canvas page. Just a note, if you change your mind later and want to stop publishing this page, you can always go back and click Stop Publishing. Okay, so now that I've done this, the document is published to the web. And so what I want to do is copy this whole piece of code here. So I'm just going to copy that. And then I'm going to go over to my Canvas course. So here's my AP Statistics course. And I'm going to make a page. So I'm going to click Pages on the left. And then I'm going to make a new page, so plus page. I'm going to give it a title. I can call it anything I want, fall calendar. And then I'm going to click here, HTML editor. HTML editor. And I'm going to paste all of that in there. So if you click save at this point, it will show up, but it will show up very tiny. So what I need to do is right here, and I have to do it at exactly this spot here after this quotation mark, but before that arrow or caret or whatever that is. And I'm going to type width equals, in quotation, 100%, space, height equals, and then 700 is pretty good. You can change that number if you want it shorter or taller. So type that in exactly like that. And then click save. So I did that, and there it is. So if I go to my pages, I called this fall calendar. So there it is. So if I make changes over here in this Google Sheet, those changes will appear in here within, say, a minute or two. So there is a little bit of lag time, but it will only take a minute or so, and those changes will appear here. So if you wanted to, you could make this your home page, say. So if I went back here, I could choose home page. I could choose home page and make it a particular page. Maybe that's a bad idea. So what I'll do is go to Pages, and this is my fall calendar, and I'll click here on this little thing here, and for some reason I can't click Use as Front Page. That's because I've never set a page. So I'm going to go home, and I'm going to choose Home Page. So in case you run into this problem, you'll know how to deal with this situation. So I'm just going to choose a random thing as my home page. And now, when I choose home page, let me see if I can go back to pages and change this one. Oh, I think it's because it's not published. That's why I can't make it my home page. Now I'm gonna do use as front page. So make sure you publish it and then use as front page. And so now when students visit your page, that will be the thing that they see.